We ready to go. Got Cheng here. Yes, Chenning, two. Got my brother Tia over here. Tommy. Got the whole crew. Jensen. Vinny. Got King here. This will be a firearm opener. So we'll see how it goes down. All right, forgot to record the last two hunters. This is Edward. He's joining us this year. We got Wang over here. We'll see if these are the first time deer hunters too. So you're not right. Okay, Edward is. Never mind. So we'll see how it goes down. What the hell? Alright. I can't believe he got one. Let's go, baby. You got a buck, bro. Yo. That's the shit, bro.
I had to chase this dude.
How'd you see him?
So there was like two of them. There's two of them.
Two bucks?
Yeah, two. So I saw two of them, and then I shot this guy, and the other one ran.
We should have waited.
One of them ran to the field, and this one ran down here. And I shot him again. I don't know how many times I got him, but I got his arm the first time, so he couldn't run no more. He fell down the ditch.
Oh, you hit him. You hit him hard.
And then bam, I shot him again, and he just fell right here.
Congrats, bro. Take a picture. Take a picture. We just heard him shot this one. It's first deer. Hold the head. Let's keep it low, cause on the hunters, that's all hunting. Good shit, bro. Man. Just like that. Oh, sit down on your knees. Tôi mà lười chị cha còn sao sầu trứng sầu. Này, mới cho cờ tụi nó nè. Look at that, man.
How far have we gone?
About 5 yards. Oh, she bang on the show. Thôi xong rồi à, cụ ba khả năng là tua. Thôi xong cụ cha cụ sa. They shot it right over there on that hill. If it's not dead, they're gonna have to come back. But shot it, yeah.
Let's look at the hill before we go off the hill. Wait, let's sign out. Well, push it to the hill.
First time gutting a deer. Pop him.
Yeah, the gut is gonna come over him.
First time gutting a deer.
Yeah, just straight out.
You gotta always gut your first kill, man.